Hey guys, welcome to Product Focus Friday, where we are working on December daily all month because it is Christmas and July. So I'm trying to work on my December daily. I think my finger's swollen. My ring was really hard to go on, and now I can't, or off, and now I can't get it back on. So it's just gonna stay right there for now. So I didn't get to work on it tons since last Friday, but I did get my photos that I ordered, and like an idiot, I forgot to order a couple because I needed to custom size them. And so I totally forgot. I got all excited to order. So I got my discount, which is awesome. I hope anybody else took advantage if they did. But so I want to do the finishing touches on day 1 through 7 because we can, or well, we can't on the one day because I don't have the photos, but we can do the finishing touches on day 1 through 7, and then you can see what it looks like with the photos, because to me it looks just so much better when the photos are in there. It's really hard to like see it when they're not. So I've got this photo here. This part made me super excited. And then all our Legos from our Lego Advent calendar. So I was thinking about putting numbers on these so I know which ones we got which day, but I didn't want it to be too bulky. So I was gonna look, because I knew I had these, but these are too big. And I do have these puffies, but I think they'll be too puffy. And I'm pretty sure one of these, yes, has all the days. Oh, but I've already used some of them. So that stinks. So can't do that. I need flat stickers that have the dates. That's what I need. So I want to find some flat stickers that I can use for the dates. Let me see. I already have kind of a December daily kit for this year, because these are nice and flat. That's why I was going to use them. I'm just missing. It's a potential that I could do that, because I'm just missing a couple. I could just be missing those and just deal with it. So we're just going to label the ones that we have. Yep, with these. And this year I was smart, and I took some different. Like I took some in action with him playing with it with his hands involved. I took a couple, or at least one, with his face in it in the photo, so it's not just all pictures of Legos. So it's a little more dynamic. And then like this 1 and 2, the bus, and then the next day was the bus stop. So I did the picture of both of them together, which just makes sense. And the Lego calendar only goes to 24 because that's Christmas Eve, because it's a countdown to Christmas. So then I still have, I'm a 25 that I can put somewhere. Okay, so that should all fit still in there. So let's see. It should. I don't think that added too much. It's just kind of finicky to get in there in the first place because I glued it down, but not that well. Yay! Okay. Perfect. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so day 1. Let's see, do I want to put anything else on here since now we can do finishing? Let's do this. Mary, whatever. Merry moments. All the puppies. Okay. Cool. Day 1. Done. Day 2. I wanted to add some of these sequins over here because they're in the shaker. This was Pink Holiday Pop by Spiegel Mom's Scraps. So now they will be all done. That, and then is there anything else we want to add? Let's look. Any other ephemera bits? Or things I can add now that my photo is glued. Oh, that'd be cute. Add things. I attached all my photos with red line tape because it's super sticky and it's been recommended to me by other people. I've heard a lot of other people use it, especially when they are adhering things that are not in a sleeve. So that's what all my stuff, it's either red line tape or liquid glue. That's kind of what I typically do on these. I'm trying to put more pages in the sleeves because then they're just in general more protected, but we'll just put one sequin up there and we'll do two down here. Here's my crystal katana. There. I enjoy that. That's fantastic. Okay. And then I'm going to put the countdown up here. All right, we're going to let that set, and then we will continue on adding details to the rest. All right, that's all dry. We'll probably add some ephemera pieces and stickers and things to those tags, but we're just going to wait a little bit. I also think, I was thinking about adding something to this, but I kind of like the simplicity of this, so we're going to leave that alone. So then I got my beautiful giant laundry page on my heart. And then the journaling's all underneath this cardinal. This is one of the photos I forgot to print, so that page isn't quite done, but we can decorate the heart. So this, I have these, ooh, gold, very shiny, sorry, cardstock stickers from Citrus Swiss. There's a day in the life, so I'm gonna put that on here. And then I'm just gonna put all is calm. And I think I'm gonna just decorate with some of these little sprinkly bits, these puffies. Because I have extra space, which is kind of nice on these, on this giant photo. And then the journaling talks about why I have this photo, and it's just from the day of the Nana day, so the day it's the anniversary of my mom's death, so I usually spend it at home by myself. This year I won't be able to do that because I'm changing jobs, so that'll be different. Won't be doing that, so that'll be interesting. It's been a few years now, so I started doing it to mentally just take a break because I needed it on that day. I still might need it, but I'm able to find that mental break kind of amongst the chaos now, so it should be okay. It should be. This is also a page that I forgot to get my photos printed, so we can't decorate that one. I do have to do my journaling yet, but I did get these photos done, so we can put things on here. We're going to do together, and then holiday. And then I want to add twinkle. And then I have to do my journaling yet. So we will do that. And then my beautiful cup of cheer. I love this. It's my favorite. Thinking about putting this little puffy down here. Then I have my decorations with my hidden journaling. I already attached that, and my 5 is all set there. So we could Let's see. Put happiness here. Keep it really simple. All right, and then this side is where we need to start working on some things more. Let me go ahead and do my journaling for right here, because then that is all done and those pages are done except for the photos. And then I'll bring you back and we're going to, I have to take, hold on. We got to get numbers on for day 7 and day 8, and finish doing journaling on there and journal here, or day 6 and day 7. So we will take these out because we'll need to work on those. All right, let me do my journaling and I'll be back. So apparently I wasn't recording for any of that for you guys. Okay, so I thought I did. So I took on to, I have a scoring platform, scoreboard. Good Lord. So I scored the edges of this and adhered it down with a photo underneath. And this is a wood veneer piece from Dusty Attic. I have lots of good ones that are black with some white print. And then I have these from P13 that are just chipboard wood veneer. They're wood veneer. Very thin wood veneer. So I wrote "so thankful." So I did finished that up. And then I scored the door. I already have red line tape under it. And then I just put a piece of cardstock underneath and traced it so I knew where to do my journaling. So I'm going to do journaling in here. And then this will go on this page with this. And we'll get some other embellishments out too. So before I do my journaling, let's do that. So I've got this wood piece. This is from P13. We're going to just clip off that little wood piece in this one. I guess technically these come off too. I've got my photo down and this is going to go here. So we're gonna glue that down. I think I'm gonna do some red line and some liquid glue. So hold on, let me find my red line. To make sure this stays down. I did my little bit of journaling in just a white pen. I'll embellish a little bit on this side too. I don't really want to glue this down yet though until I have this side down, because this side is all flat things. So we're gonna do Stay Warm, and this is day 6. We've got Puffy. I think I'll put these snowflakes on the back page. Let's see, hopefully I can just fit all my journaling on here. But the door was gonna be like right in the center, was my thought. I guess I could put it off to the side. No mistletoe. No, that's too big. I don't need any labels. Little off to the side, we could just do an ephemera cluster. Just to get some ephemera used, honestly, because I have a ton. I have a ton. Maybe some Maybe some of those, maybe some of these. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Maybe we'll sprinkle. All right, I'm gonna get this stuff glued down, sprinkle some wood veneer pieces around. Oh yeah, and I have my gold words, which I don't know if I'll put any on there. I'm gonna add some candy pieces to the parade pictures, but I'll save some for the other pictures that I don't have printed. Okay, let me get my journaling written and this stuff glued down, and then I'll check back in with you. All right, there we go. That's all glued. You can see the journaling there. I love it. It's so cute. Okay. Where's my little piece? Oh yeah, I was gonna add some more wood veneer too. I'll do that as well. Two snowflakes. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna add a wood veneer piece down here maybe. Let's see, I've got heart, sled, present, Santa, stocking hat. For sure. There, now that page is all set. Let's add some wood veneer candy to my parade page. And I think we're gonna end it today, guys, because this is getting kind of long. I don't want to keep you too long just sitting here staring at me. That's not fair. There we go. Okay. We've got 8, and then I'm going to work on 9. It's not going to be super fancy. It's going to be more journaling than anything. Oh, I love it. You can open the little windows and door. Perfect. And then, yes, let's add some candy. Kind of lets you know that there's something under there. Oh, that's perfect. That worked out good. Let's do just this candy heart right in the center here. Finishes off that page nicely. There we go. Okay, so there, that is finishing those pages. Like I said, I just accidentally didn't print this 2 pictures here and the 1 picture there. So the next time I print day 8 and on, I will include those. I already started a folder on Persnickety with them ready to go, so we will make sure to do that. But I will bid you adieu for now. We'll work on more of this later. More December Daily to come. Hopefully, at this rate, it doesn't seem like I'm going to get it done, but hopefully I will this month. If not, it's not a huge deal. I will just work on it more next month. But the goal is to try to get it at least caught up, or to the point of I just need to order photos or just do finishing touches, one of the two, and we'll be set to go. So yeah, there you go, guys. It looks so much better with photos. I really enjoy that with photos. It's definitely, it makes me very happy to have the photos in there. It just makes it seem complete. It's like, yeah, the stories are in there, but the photos definitely help tell the story. I'm definitely a photo-centered person, not necessarily story-centered person. So once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.